Andy, sleep ka na. It's already night time. Oh? Hey, don't pretend. Hey. Don't pretend that you're asleep. Andy, you want to show first your magic?
Okay.
What kind of magic trick? Ay, practicing po. Practice po.
Okay.
Oh, you show it to Mama
It's
also.
like this.
Wait. Mama will see that, huh? First, how?
So first,
okay.
put 2 ones and then do like
Okay, and then what's gonna happen? Whoa! What? How about the other? There's nothing on the other? Nothing? Alright, okay, one more. Wait. Show it first. Wait. Oh, now it's 2. Earlier it was 1. Now 2 on the right, 2 on your left. Oh, what's gonna happen? 1, 2, 3. How about the others? It became 0.
No.
You show the other hand also, or are you kidding me? Whoa! How about this one? What happened? The other not the other one became 0, and they're adding up. Oh, can you transfer that one to another hand? This 5. Oh, this 5. No, this 5. Can you transfer that? Can you do that magic? Wait. Okay, it's up to you. What's now? Okay, give me 4. From 1 it will become 4. From 1 finger it will become 4 fingers. Wait. Show it to us first. Where's the 1 finger? That's a lot. Oh. Oh, only 1. Hey, how about the other one? Oh, no, you're cheating. The other one should be 0. Okay, that's it. The other one, let me see the other hand. Okay, 0. Oh no, it should be 0. Oh, 0. Oh, you transfer this one to here and it's gonna be 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh, how about I want 10 fingers.
Okay.
If you're really a human, you sure you're not a witch? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, complete. 1, 2, 3. There's nothing here. Here? Oh, yeah, it's complete.
There's nothing.
Oh, disappear. Wait. Show it. Okay, wala pong daya yan, mga kaigan. Napakalupit. Wait, hey. Okay, 10 little fingers about to vanish. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen to 10 fingers. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Wait. It should be like this, oh. Like this, 0. Ay, na. Oh, here. One more. The 0 is 0 from no fingers. Too many. From 0 fingers. Hey, 0 finger. Ito ang finger, oh. Oh, sleep na. Ay, naku, no more creative. Andy, no tigil. Lagot tayo kay mama. Wala, sleep ka na.